All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, you guys know what to do. Please subscribe. But now let's talk about Chainlink. As you guys know, if you watched my update last night, I said Chainlink is about to explode and it's about to make history. And reason as to why I said that is because, Chainlink was in an accumulation zone for 18 months. And today marks the date where we have finally broken out of there and we saw an insane green candle form for Chainlink. And speaking about FOMO, guys, FOMO is in full effect right now for the entire market, of course, but Chainlink specifically because of the move it is having right now. So we're going to be taking a look at that. So if you guys are enjoying these updates, you guys know what to do. Let me know in the comment section. But let's take a look at Chainlink. Like you can see on the daily time frame, it is the top performer in the top 100 coins, up a staggering 17.7%. And if we're looking at it on the monthly time frame, Chainlink is up 58.6%. But now if we take a look at the closer, picture of Chainlink, you can see the price is currently sitting at $10.71, up 17.4% in all three comparatives, Bitcoin, USD, and ETH comparative. Looking at its market cap, approaching that $6 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.6 billion. And this is something I discussed yesterday. We have seen the trading volume for Chainlink go up about 60%. Which is insane. Now let's take a look at what is happening and what are some next targets we could be looking at. So before we get into it, as always, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Now if we're looking at the bigger picture, I always like bringing out the bigger picture, the historic price patterns, because it gives everyone an indication as to what exactly is happening right now. So if you're new to the markets, guys, you can see this pretty much. Chainlink had an insane rally going all the way up to $53.50 last bull cycle. And of course, it made its way back down. But now if we're looking at the charts, you can see that there is a green candle forming, even if you look at it on the bigger time frame. Now let's take a look at the closer picture to give a really better understanding as to what exactly this means and how important this move really has been. If you guys watched my update on Chainlink, I talked about this target right here, and exactly that's where we're being stopped at as of now. You can't make this up. Resistances and supports are important. I know there's going to be some people that say, technical analysis does not work, but it absolutely works. Absolutely works in my opinion. But you can see this for yourself. Chainlink was in a consolidation phase for 18 months, guys. 18 months. And you can see this for yourself. A lot of sideways momentum. A lot of people were getting bored, but the people that accumulated, that saw the vision for Chainlink, are the ones that are really enjoying these gains, because in literally a few days, if you picked up some link on the 17th at $7.28, guys, you are up right now 50% on Chainlink. You can't make this up. Markets move really fast, and now what's about to happen is that slowly but surely FOMO is about to flow into the entire crypto space, because of course things are heating up. People love when things heat up. People love chasing green candles, and this is what's about to happen. But the real winners, if you were to ask me now, you could come out and say, oh yeah, I picked up some Chainlink at $11 and I sold it at its all-time high, or whatever you want to call it. But the real winners here are the people that were buying around here. Anyone that was purchasing Chainlink, especially at $8 or below that, are the real winners in my opinion. Because the reason as to why I say this is because there's a famous saying in the crypto space: be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. So the people that were being greedy around this range, because usually around this range there was a lot of fear. So the people that picked it up around here are the ones that are the real winners and are enjoying the gains. And now you may be saying no one picked it up. Well, you'd be shocked. You would be shocked. So if you picked up some Chainlink at $5 on its yearly low after the SEC announcement, which was on June, you are up right now 120%. And now we have seen a new yearly high for Chainlink, because remember, the last high for us was of course back on April, which was at $8.52. But this time around, we have set a new yearly high for Link, and of course resistance is coming in the way. But if we're able to clear this resistance, we're about to touch this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level resistance at $12.40. I'm expecting a little bit of a retest once we get there, but that is that main spot I'm looking at right now, and FOMO is already here for Chainlink. Reason as to why I say that is because, of course, it has broken out of the consolidation phase. Once you break out of a consolidation phase, that's when all the eyes will come to you as a project, and this is what's happening right now. A lot of people are getting extremely bullish on Chainlink, especially the people that were on the sidelines. Remember, there was a lot of money on the sidelines. Some people, I've explained this to you guys in my Solana update, or I believe VeChain, not too sure which one, but what some people in crypto do is that are already millionaires and billionaires. They're not chasing small cap coins. You do realize that, right? They're just chasing, some only stick with the top 10, some stick with the top 20, and what they do is they wait for confirmation. They wait for confirmation for entry, and again, there's nothing wrong with that, because look, if someone came in with $200,000 or $300,000, big money, after this resistance was broken, they are up right now about 17%. So that's like, if you put 100K in, again, I'm not talking about myself, I'm just saying like these big players, if they put 100K in, that's $17,000 profit. And if there was someone that put $1 million that once this resistance was broken, that's 170,000 profit. See, they can make life-changing gains with just sticking with the top 10 to top 20 coins, and this is what a lot of people do not understand. And now what's happening is, of course, resistances will come in the way, and once we're able to break out of here, guys, the volume is on that side of Chainlink right now, and I really think the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level is the next target that we're looking for, and I think Chainlink has what it takes to get to that spot in the upcoming days ahead of us. Because if we're looking at BTC as well, Bitcoin is making a move towards the upside, but let's kind of forget about Bitcoin. Right now, people are not really paying attention to Bitcoin and Chainlink correlation. Reason as to why I say that is because it has broken out of this resistance. This will bring in a more inflow of cash just because of this breakout alone. So let me know down below what you guys think. I know a lot of people on crypto Twitter now, a lot of people are getting extremely excited about Chainlink. Some people are saying mega bullish on Chainlink, but who knows where they were before. It's so funny. But great move for Chainlink users. I'm really proud for everyone that was accumulating around this range, and this was well deserved. If you watch my videos, you guys know we've been discussing about this range for quite some time, so this is not something new to us, but a lot of people are printing some massive gains. Speaking about gains, guys, if you're making gains, lock those gains in. Do not get greedy. I cannot stress this enough, because there will be someone else that will come and take the gains before you, and no one really has control to stop them. So take those gains while you see them, and consolidate, or put them elsewhere. But again, at the end of the day, everyone has their own strategy, but I would strongly encourage you guys to not get greedy and lock some profits in. But let me know down below if you guys want to see more continuous Chainlink updates, and I will bring you guys just that. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.